Hello and welcome to Orchids 365. Welcome back. And hello from Mom's Garden. Last year I bought her an orchid from Norman's. And this year she has bloomed for the first time. And she deserves a spotlight video because look at this beauty. She starts off very dark and then as the time goes by she gets lighter in color. But this cluster of flowers is so impressive. Some people like to refer to her as the jellyfish orchid. I see more like an octopus. So I can never really pronounce her name properly. So let's see. This one is the blue Comet Indigo blue. Insignia, and then there's that word, see, cut off, Cochleata. I hope I didn't slaughter that too much. But I have the original one. It's still small because I bought her as a seedling. And this one is the hybrid that was done at Norman's. And I just, wow. Just wow. Look at her. I'm just going to let you take that in. From every angle that you look at her, it's perfection. I'm in love with it. I'm so happy that she's thriving and happy in my mom's garden. It was her birthday gift from last year. I did an unboxing. It has grown so much. It has a new growth. You could look in there. Very healthy, but also in very good hands. See that? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.